After looking at the Johns Hopkins coronavirus case map tracker, which they've been doing a lot of research to track the cases in each country, to map it out, to make it really clear, and like an easy way to see all the cases, how it's spreading so far, and they've done a really nice job with that. So as a small project, I decided to kind of replicate their map feature to like a smaller extent, and basically the way I did this was by finding a data set that the New York Times was offering for free, where independent researchers and like facilities were adding up all the total number of cases in each county in the United States of America, so by county in alphabetical order, and then putting them in a GitHub database for anyone to use the data of. And I take the most recent number of cases from each county, and using the county's name, which is the name and then the state it's in, I'm able to plug the name and state into a Python module I have, which takes a name or a location in words and then gives me the coordinate locations in longitude and latitude. That way I can plot it on a map. So for the map, I'm using a Google map. They have a Google Map API, so I'm able to put little almost little pinpoints on different locations of different sizes, and I make the radius different size based on how many cases there are. And we can see a map of the country with red points that have the radius of the amount of coronavirus cases in that location. And because this is an interactive map, we can go through and zoom in different areas and check out different locations. Additionally, we can change the scaling using the size factor. Right now, I'm using a factor that scales it down so we can see more of a even spread of how many cases occur. We can also change it to show the true number of cases that occur, which is a much more exaggerated number. With the true number scale on, we can see just how condensed the population of cases is in specific locations. In this case, New York has a large number of cases. I think that this program has the potential to spread awareness about the number of cases of coronavirus and to educate people about the true scale of the coronavirus as it spreads and grows in real time. Thank you guys for watching this video.